The M Community project is using mobile technology to engage with learners who might be sort of disadvantaged in some way. Initially, I may have referrals from the job centre and from other agencies, or it could be self-referrals from people who have seen literature out at community venues. And basically I'll meet with them a couple of times, usually for a couple of weeks, so I build up a rapport with them. And from that then we loan out the devices which have an app that we've developed, and that app on that device gives the one-to-one support that I give to each student.
She likes to know what you want rather than what they can give you. She looks at what you need and what you're interested in.
If they see an advert in a shop window, for an example, they can fire up the app, message me straight away. Instantly I can say, yeah, of course, apply for it. Just walk in, be yourself, hand in your CV. It may be just what they need to just give them that little bit of encouragement for that day, rather than waiting for a 2-week process of seeing their next advisor.
She's instantly can put you at ease. I think that's her sort of key ingredient to engaging with learners successfully and gaining their trust.
I lacked a lot of confidence. I lost a lot of it, and Emma gave that back to me. She made me realise that I was worth something and that I could be whoever I wanted to be, no matter what stood in my way.
Congratulations on all the fabulous work. This is a great recognition of that.
Hey Emma, I'm proud of you, like you're proud of all of us. Thank you very much for everything that you've done for me. I really appreciate it. You've put me on the right path. Thank you.
It's not very often I'm short of words, but yeah, I was very, very stunned, and very, very grateful, so thank you very much.